Hey friends, welcome back to day 3 of my fitness and faith journey. If this is your first time here, where have you been? I've really missed you. My name is Uche, and I'm not just here for abs, I'm here for alignment. Alignment with discipline, very important, with grace, and with the body God entrusted to me, okay? Okay, now, back to the gist. Let me tell you guys, today was different. That kind of day you wake up with so much energy. Like from the moment I opened my eyes, I could feel the energy bubbling. It wasn't the usual drag my feet to the gym kind of morning. It was let's go baby type of day, yes. My body was ready, my spirit even more. I don't know if it was a playlist in my head, maybe the scriptures I read before stepping out, or the leftover stress from good too. But I felt alive, whatever it was, I felt very alive. It's funny how the body remembers. I mean, just 2 days ago, I was using 2 reps, and I was practically bouncing through warm up. What a wow. But as workout got more intense, I realized energy is sweet until your coach start acting possessed because this man was just doing too much now. He was doing high knee, shouting push, push. Shouting nobody dies, and I'm just standing here like, sir, I came to work out, not to die. But that's the spirit. I mean, that's the ginger with me. That's the motivation, okay? But something kept me going. No pride, no pressure, but purpose here, very important. See, for me, these workouts are bigger than the gym. They're a form of worship, a declaration that I'm still here and I still believe and I still have strength in these bones. So every jump ups felt like sowing a seed. Every sport felt like reclaiming discipline. Every sweat drop was a silent prayer. Lord, thank you for this moment. Thank you that I can move, that I can breathe, that I can rise again, because some persons don't even have this privilege to do these things that I'm doing right now. So for me, it's a privilege, and yes, that's a form of worship for me. And not to mention, for a few chaotic moments, I won't lie, I missed a step here and there. Took an extra break that wasn't in the plan, but who is counting? Okay, maybe the coach was. But the real win wasn't in how perfect I performed, no. It was in how present I stayed. Yeah, for me, that's the biggest. So one of the biggest lies we tell ourselves is if I can't go hard, I shouldn't go at all. Like go hard or go home. No. We don't do that here. God never asks us for perfection. He asks for obedience, for presence, for trust. So yes, if we can't go hard, keep staying present till we get the strength to go hard. Okay, so this one is not go hard or go home. We aren't going nowhere. We die here literally. So when I stretched at the end, the sweat dripping on my soul, smiling, felt more than I saw. I felt grateful. That kind of self fulfillment. That fulfillment you feel when you finally navigated the hurdle you thought you wouldn't be able to go through. That's what I felt at the end of this workout, guys. That's what I felt, baby. Because my body showed up, my mind stayed in it, and my spirit was at peace. Yeah. So to anyone watching this, I want to say you're not behind. Listen, you're not weak. You're becoming. Maybe you're still trying to find your rhythm. Maybe you follow up a full time. I mean, who hasn't? Still falling anyway. That's the rest of life. Or maybe like me, just needed one more day to believe that you could do that thing again. It just won't go good. I'm proud of you for being here, for watching, showing up in your own way. Yeah, I'm very proud of you. So if you've not heard it from anybody for some time, I just know that Uche is proud of you, okay? It's really an interesting workout, as you already can see. So yeah, if you don't have a dumbbell, you can as well do it without a dumbbell. I'm just that extra energy type of girl, right? If you don't have a dumbbell, you can use a bottle of water. You can fill it up with that water or sand or pebbles. Just anything that can add weight to the small bottle of water. Okay, just something to add weight to your hand while dragging it up and down. So yeah, there's always an alternative to this. So don't use that excuse that no, I'm not going to do so. This exercise will not work out for me. We don't do that here. We don't allow excuses. We do well within us. We show up. With anything we have at all, we show up. That's what we do. So we are going to show up. All right. So now then they use a bottle of water and do the needful. Okay. But if it's not very handy right now, you can just you move your hands. Forget about the way, just move your hand. Most important thing that is the movement. Yeah. So yes, please drop. So funniest emoji they comment if you ever said that your trainer like, guy, like saying only you walk that come like and also drop a hands up emoji if you ever push through on days you didn't feel like. And finally, drop a heart just for yourself because grace is your portion, baby. This journey is not about hype, it's about healing. Every move, every stretch, every pause, it matters. Because even Jesus rested, so don't shame your slow days, don't compare your pace, okay? Yeah. At this point, hey God, this coach, right? He was really testing my patience because, bro, calm down now. I only came to lose weight. I only came to maintain agility, not all this war zone type of training. Where it's very necessary, very very necessary. So no going back. It's already too late to. No more going back. Yeah. The Spirit of the Lord is our strength. So we're going to push through to the very end. So stick around. Let's continue doing this. Please don't stop. You are permitted to catch your breath, but don't stop. This particular workout, right, there's a modification to it. You can alternatively decide to raise your hand and leg. Okay, this jumping jacks. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So yes, no, you don't say thank you. You're already welcome. You know I love you guys, so I would love to add spice to all of this. Yeah. So let's move. Let's go. Let's move. Let's go. Let's move. Oh yeah. If at this point you've not started sweating, like serious sweating, like what have you been doing? But yes, at this point your heart is supposed to be grateful to you that you're doing this. I mean, it's doing its work, it's pumping blood more around the body. So you see that fast heartbeat. Yes. That's your heart thanking you. It's telling you thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's the beat you're hearing. Okay? So keep on, keep going, keep going. I will see you for day 4 by the grace of God. And as always, come as you are. Live with soft eyes and renewed strength. Don't forget to like, comment your day 3 highlights and subscribe. The journey is just beginning. Thank you guys for remaining through with me. I am more than grateful. Thank you, my accountability partners. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.